You're dumb.
Just look at us, okay? Just look at us. Who seems to be in shape? Who's able to move around? This idea of, slowjoe. I want to thank you all. I carry with me, I don't have it, I gave it to my staff, but I carry with me in my pocket do I have that around anyone? Where's my staff? Slowjoe. Rapidly rising and with I don't know, slowjoe. I shouldn't laugh about it because anyway, Donald Trump, just look at us both, watch us, and determine whether or not you think his just inability to focus on.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Still dumb.